To download and install Viber on your Mac and connect it with your mobile device, simply follow these simple steps. First of all, go to any web browser and navigate to the Viber official website. On the home page, you can see download option available there in the green highlights. Tap on it and you can see download to Mac option available there. Tap on it again. Then tap on the downloaded file. Now all you have to do is drag the app to the application folder. Once done so, it has been successfully downloaded. Now from the Spotlight search, command and spacebar, simply tap on the command and spacebar and Spotlight search will appear. There type down the Viber and open the Viber app on your Mac. Now once the Viber app is opened, simply wait for a few minutes for this process to complete and Viber app to open on your MacBook. So now you can see once opened, Viber gives you a QR code on your Mac screen. Now open Viber on your mobile device, then tap on the three dot icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you will be navigated to your profile settings. There you can see the QR icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the scan section of your mobile device. Now tap on the allow and scan the QR. Once scanned, you will be logged in to your Viber on your PC. Now here you can sync your chats by tapping on the sync option available there. A confirmation will also appear on your mobile device. Simply tap on the sync on your mobile as well. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.